Alright, decided to, take advantage of, well, I don't know if Cheyenne's gonna be in the show. Yes, a video. Well, shoot. Anyway, I just decided to take advantage of, my one day off today to test out my new Canon Camcorder. I just brand new camera, paid good money for it, so it damn well better last me at least 10 years or so. But anyway, my very first YouTube video with my brand new camcorder. Tonto's resting nice and peacefully. Cheyenne went in another room. So let's see how my very first video with my brand new camera turns out. Right back at you all.